Whoever tells the lot of ROMs as the best one, but they are not the godfather. Yeah, the CyanoGenMod. Now, the Lineage is father of all the new ROM development. They always be the number one in releasing the new updates and builds. Yes, it may be in official or unofficial, but they hold the new things, there is no doubt. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look on the CyanoGenMod version 15.0, which is the Oreo 8.0 on mote first gen in the series of in-depth look episode number 7. So let's get into the content. This is Lineage version 15.0 Oreo build. The security badge detail is it's November 5th 2017 Android security badge, 2 months World 1. And I have to tell this, the Lineage is the first guy who started to build the Oreo and released the unofficial builds for various phones. But what happened is, after some days, the Google released the Oreo 8.1 with some major changes from Oreo 8.0. So the team started to build the Lineage 15.1 without completing 15.0, which is 8.0. Now they are working for 15.1, which is Oreo 8.1, and this is the final build of 15.0 for this device. And here they done lot of things. They completed 80% of the work to get the stable and official Oreo 8.0. Well, here we see the things of Lineage 15.0. This ROM only contains the tube chat launcher, not pixel launcher, and here there is no way to change the icon, and this one doesn't have any more serious bugs. You can do daily tasks like phone calling, music and camera, and flow and performance are decent. There is no issue, and the UI really makes me stunning. And I installed the GApps 8.0 Pico. It works well in all the Google apps, and it detecting the external SD card, also showing the content in gallery. The battery performance is not that poor, but it takes too much of time to charge the phone entirely. These all the things are positive of this ROM. Now we can see some disadvantages. This ROM is not supporting the video recording. Basically, I don't record any video in this phone. That's not a big issue, but the main problem for me is this one not supporting the auto rotation. That's really not acceptable for me, because I used landscape mode to watch videos in YouTube. I do that most of the time, so it's not suitable for me for this device. Also, the voice and screen recording, they are also not working. Other than that, this ROM doesn't have that much problem, actually nothing. Now the Lineage OS 15.1 unofficial builds are rolling out. I have the builds for my primary device, not for this Moto E. So I make the videos of that when I get the another camera or phone, because I am using that primary device to record my videos. That's why. And I'm looking for to make more videos. Also, I have the content for that, but the time is the problem. So that's out of video, I know. Hope you enjoyed this video, and give you a ranking in the poll what appearing right now. 1 means good, 5 means very worst. That's what. And do check the previous videos from this series, and you can download this ROM and you can try yourself on your Moto E first gen. I'll leave the link of those videos in the description. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next good one. Code Moto.